Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add new accounts to your Monefy application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and click on the second option, Accounts. Here you can find the cash and payment card options, and if you want to add a new one, tap on the plus icon. Here you should include or type in the name of your new account. Then select whether you would like it to be included in the balance or not by turning it on. By this button in the right side of the screen, you should select your currency, exchange rate, initial account balance, and the initial balance date as well should be indicated. Here you should select the category, and if you are done with adding all these details and information about your new account, click on the add button in the upper right corner of the screen to finalize this process. So if you go back, you will be able to see that a new account has been added to your application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.